Hi, this is C. Aniruddha Fene. Today we are discussing the topic income from house property from direct taxes. So I will give you two quick steps to calculate income from let out property. Step one, you need to compute the GAV of that property. For computing GAV, you need to compute the RER, that is reasonable expected rent of that property. Now, reasonable expected rent is computed as follows: fair rent or municipal value, whichever is higher, subject to standard rent of that property. So fair rent or municipal value, whichever is higher, you have to take as RER, but it cannot be more than the standard rent of that property as per the Rent Control Act. Once you get the RER, compare it with the actual rent for the whole year, less unrealized rent, if any, during the year. Third step, after comparing RER and actual rent, less the unrealized rent, if any, take higher of the RER or actual rent as step 3. Step 4 is reduce any loss due to vacancy in that property. Your final answer will be GAV. So from step 1, you get GAV. Now take that GAV and put it in step 2 to compute income from let out property. From the GAV, deduct municipal taxes paid by the owner of the property. If the tenant has paid, deduction won't be allowed. The reduction is only on payment basis during the year. After reducing municipal taxes paid from GAV, you get the NAV, that is the net annual value of that property. Subtract deductions from the NAV, you get two deductions. One is standard deduction on the NAV of 30%, and second deduction is interest on the capital borrowed on that house property. There is no limit on the interest in the case of let out property. After subtracting deductions from the NAV, what you get is the income from house property. That is, in this case, the income from let out property. So these two quick steps will help you to calculate income from let out property within 5 minutes. So note these formats properly, and then whatever data is given in the sum, just fill in the blanks. You'll get your answer in 5 minutes. So I think this might help you in your tax paper. Thank you very much.